Example 5, write a statement that is logically equivalent to, we cannot go to breakfast, but we can meet for lunch. So we're going to have P, B, we can go to breakfast. And QB, we can meet for lunch. So we cannot go to breakfast would be negation P, but is an and statement. We can meet for lunch is Q. So we have an and statement that we're trying to look for the opposite. So we're going to have to play a little bit to make this and statement work. We're going to use this one, but we have to see how can we make that and statement work. So looking at the and statement, we go from negation P to P, and the negation Q to Q. So the difference is we have a regular Q. So what we're going to say is this is logically equivalent to negation P or negation Q. So we're going to take that and with the Q, where we had negation Q, and instead put the opposite here of Q, which is negation Q. So doing the opposite of both makes that okay. And so now the statement will be, it is false that P, we can go to breakfast, or we cannot meet for lunch. Example 6, write a conditional statement that is equivalent to the statement, if the winter is mild, then the spring is muddy. So we'll let P be the winter is mild, and Q the spring is muddy. And our statement would be, if the winter is mild, then the spring is muddy. So P implies Q. So they're asking us to write a conditional statement equivalent to that. And I think we really actually look for a disjunction that's equivalent to that because we already have a conditional statement. So I'm going to go with this disjunction, negation P or Q. So we know that's equivalent to negation P or Q. So negation P or Q we can write is, the winter is not mild, or the spring is muddy.